Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice cake for cycling full guide. Start by rinsing 2 cups of short grain rice until water runs clear, then soak for 30 minutes. Drain and mix rice with 1 cup cooked sweet potato, 1 egg white, salt, and a pinch of baking powder. Press into a greased pan, steam or bake until set, cool, cut into bars, and wrap for rides. Combine simple ingredients to make a nutritious on-bike snack that tastes great and fuels long rides. Mash cooked sweet potato into the soaked rice, then stir in egg white, salt, and optional spices. Fold in nuts or seeds if you want extra calories and texture. Adjust sweetness with honey or molasses if needed, press mixture firmly, and choose your preferred cooking method for travel-friendly bars. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides like this one. Quick recommendation: Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a great little luxury on long rides and cold descents. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Choose steam for a softer, chewable cake or bake at 350 degrees F for a slightly crisp edge that slices cleanly. Either method works well. Steaming keeps moisture and baking gives portability. After cooking, allow the cake to cool fully so pieces hold their shape, then slice into compact bars sized for your jersey pocket. Wrap individually in wax paper or reusable wraps for simple grab-and-go fueling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.